Webster's dictionary tells us that leverage is to use something, I say everything, to maximum advantage. Are you running an organization and a life that leverages all the resources that are available to you? Are you not even sure what those resources are? Well, come join me as I teach you how to leverage yourself so that you can focus on the things that make you money and leverage everything that doesn't. Stay out of those income servicing activities. I'm also going to help you with some life hacks that will help you leverage your personal life so that you never have to do those things that take time away from providing opportunity and time with your family or with yourself. Lastly, I'm going to teach you how to take more vacations and time off without feeling like the world is going to fall apart. So join me for this class as we teach you how to leverage your way to freedom. Make it a great day.